Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the signature specification. So this car features 16-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows and rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the 7-inch touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.